Hello, friends. Today we will start a new chapter, An Alien Hand, chapter number 10. This is from your supplementary reader, An Alien Hand. So, let's begin with this chapter. So, here in the chapter, we can see there is a boy whose name is Tillu. Tillu is very excited, very curiously, he wants to know that where his father goes for work. So every day when his father goes for his work, he wants to see that passage. He also want to go on that passage. But his mother and his father also don't allow him to go there. So that path was kind of forbidden path where he can't go. No one in his house is allowing him to go on that path. So as a child, he is very curious. He wants to see that path. He wants to go there on that path. So one day what happened? When his father was doing siesta. Siesta is here a kind of rest which usually we do on afternoons. You can say here in afternoon the rest which we used to do. So his father was also doing siesta. He was not on his work. So that day he get a chance to grab the key from his father's pocket where he used to keep, and just he wants to go there on the forbidden path to see. So anyhow, he managed to get that security card which his father was using for that forbidden path. Then when he enters into that forbidden path, he used the security card over there on the slot, as he had also seen his father using that. So what happened? The door suddenly opened. Now he is now inside a wall. There there he was unable to see any kind of sun or night lights like from moon or stars, because he had read about them that everywhere they exist, but there he can't see any one of them. So he is feeling that which kind of world is this where not a daylight or nor a night light is coming from. So he was shocked also and underestimating the security arrangement, because he was a child. So he don't know that that world was not actually similar with the earth. Then what happened? Here the inner security, they captured a photo of this small intruder, and they sent that photo to the central bureau. And also some kind of hand he felt on his shoulder. So let's find out who was behind him. We will see it on next page. So a member of from the security office went to his house and told about all this incident to his mother. And his mother was very angry on Tillu, but his father said that he will talk to him and he will explain him very briefly that why he can't go there, why he is not allowed to go inside that road. When I will explain him, he will not do this again. So this his father said. So what his father explained him about that path? His father told that the place where he worked is not same as the place where we live. That place is so cool that we can die there, and there is no source of light also. We go there with a special kind of suit, with a special kind of boots which keep me warm there. And also we are having artificial light over there, so you can't go there without any kind of equipment. You should have something. And his child, obviously as a child, he questioned to his father then why and how he managed to survive there. So his father explained him that it is for his safety, that they have to wear such kind of equipments. um, Oxygen reservoir he have to keep with him to make himself survive in that kind of situation. He also said, he said that there his duty is to keep watch on them, everything, and to provide services to them. So this duty his father was doing there on that forbidden path, you can say. As a child, Tillu wants to go there. So he said that, can I join that place? I also want to work there. His father said, of course you can join that, but you have to grow up and you have to listen to your parents what they are saying. It means you have to obey your parents first. So next day what happened? After comprehension check, when his father went to the work, he found that his room, control room, everyone is very excited there and they all gather around on a large TV screen and they were watching something on it. His father said, why you are all here? So the last shift person, supervisor, he explained that they found something over the screen and that is not a star or anything, because it is changing its position and it is coming towards us. So maybe that is a spacecraft, Tillu's father said. So Tillu father had joined now. So he said maybe that can be a spacecraft. So we need to watch it carefully what is coming towards us.